Hey guys, it's Jane, and today we're talking about the Matace removable carpet. So I've heard so much about these and I've been really excited to try them out because I personally think that having removable carpet will make cleaning so much easier, with two dogs and the kids running around. So I was really excited to get these. Shipping was really fast. These arrived in just a few days. So here I have the sample pack, and you can get coupons as new buyers to receive the sample pack for free. So as you can see, the sample includes a variety of different colors, and it gives you an idea of how the carpet feels, how thick it is. It's cushioned, it has padding, so you don't have to worry about adding additional padding to it. And you can try it out. You can even, if you wanted to, with one of the samples, you could get it dirty and see how easy it is to wipe off and clean. So I don't know if you can really tell through the video, but these are really soft and very you can tell that it would be really comfortable to walk on. And I love that they have these samples because you can put it on the floor and really test it out before you buy the full carpet. So as you can see, you have so many different colors to choose from, and as a new customer, you can actually get a coupon to receive free samples, so that's really cool. So this is the full size carpet, and you receive several of these. So they're glue-free, tape-free, really easy to install and remove. These soft carpet tiles measure 9.84 inches by 39.37 inches, and these are made from 100% PET polyester. They're really durable, stain, bleach, and fade resistant, and these also have a height of 0.7 inches and a backness thickness of 0.2 inches. So you don't have to worry about having additional pads, and they're really easy to install. These won't even slip because they're designed to stay in place. So it's so much fun. You can mix and match these different colors and create different styles. These are designed specifically to create a seamless appearance that looks like a wall-to-wall carpet. And one of the coolest things about removable carpet is if someone makes a mess, the carpet tiles can be removed for easy cleaning. And if your carpet gets dirty, you have stains, or it needs to be cleaned, you can simply pick them up, wash them with clean water. So rather than get the carpet shampooer and spend hours and a lot of money cleaning, this process takes only a few minutes, or you could even just replace that one piece if you wanted to. Also, the carpet includes a 180-day trial and a lifetime warranty, and shipping is free. So as you can see, the removable carpet tiles from Matace are a great way to add a little color and style to any room. Thanks for watching.